Americans, Australians, Canadians, and and British since Brexit are lucky. Since last year, the law in Spain now permits non-residents that are residents of non-EU countries to claim the regional inheritance tax exemptions available in the region of Spain where the majority of their assets are situated. I'm Michael Davis. I'm a Spanish inheritance lawyer. I've been handling wills, probate, inheritance tax issues, inheritance process, and inheritance-related litigation for expats all over Spain, including the islands, since 1996. Okay, so what's all this about? Okay, well, in Spain, we've got a national level of inheritance tax, and then each one of the 17 regions of Spain over the years have created extra allowances and exemptions. All of them basically make the inheritance tax bill much cheaper, or even non-existent in some cases, than if you have to pay using the level established at the national level. So what was happening before last year is that the law allowed the residents of the non-residents of Spain that were resident of EU countries to claim the exemptions of the region where the majority of the assets are situated, but not the residents of non-EU countries. I mean, this could mean an incredible difference to inheritance tax. I mean, we even had, parents that have left a property in joint names in Madrid to one son that lives in Florida and one son that lived in London before Brexit. And I mean, one's paid €100,000 inheritance tax and the other one hasn't paid anything. Incredible, very unfair, but that's how it goes. So now you are allowed to claim these exemptions. What does this mean? Well, this basically means that, if you're from one of those countries and you're inheriting an asset in two very favorable regions for inheritance tax, for example, Andalusia, which is the whole of the Costa del Sol, etc., or the Madrid region, you can claim the generous exemptions that exist for spouse and children in those two regions. I mean, in Andalusia, children and spouse, they're each allowed €1 million completely tax-free now, so it makes a big difference. I mean, over in the Baleares is a good region as well, because up to the first €700,000, spouse and children only pay 1%. I mean, some of the other regions have got that the exemptions are not so generous, but still almost all the regions have got some level of exemption above the national tax and national levels of inheritance tax. So I'm Michael Davis. If you would like us to calculate what your inheritance tax is going to be in the future, or calculate it for your children and spouse in the future, or if you've been called to inherit and you want us to give you a second opinion on inheritance tax, or you would like us to handle probate or inheritance for you anywhere in Spain, contact us and we can organize a Zoom consultation, go through the process, go through how much it costs, and give you a timescale. If you found the video useful, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.